Hello friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make a very trending and effective natural fat cutter drink that helps to cut your belly fat. Very easy to make with a very few ingredients. So let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. To a mug like this, add 2 cloves. Cloves increase metabolism, manage blood sugar levels and helps to reduce inflammation. Then add 5 mint leaves. Clean wash it and keep it ready. Mint is again a very healthy ingredient. It is rich in nutrients, improves bowel movement, relieves indigestion, improves brain function, masks bad breath and very easy to add to your diet. Then to this add 1 cardamom. Cardamom is a very healthy ingredient. It is high in antioxidants, contains cancer fighting properties, has anti-inflammatory properties, protects from chronic diseases, helps in digestion, treats bad breath and prevents cavities, has antibacterial effects, treats infection, improves breathing and oxygen use, lowers blood sugar levels, protects your livers and helps in weight loss. Then to this add 1 cup of hot water. Cover and rest for 2 minutes. The flavors and benefits of the ingredients are getting extracted to the water. After 2 minutes open and check, the ingredients are well soaked. You can either strain this drink or chew the ingredients as you consume. Then add a tablespoon of lemon juice. Just half the lemon is more than sufficient. Lemon on the other hand boosts metabolism and thus helps in weight loss. Lemon also helps in reducing the calorie intake. Now a healthy weight loss drink is ready. You can consume this drink as such or also you can add honey to it. It's totally optional. Give it a good mix and a fat melted drink is ready to consume. Drink this with a straw to avoid sensitivity and tooth enamel issues. Very simple to make and very effective. Have this drink first thing in the morning on an empty stomach and be on a balanced diet throughout the day and you will observe a reduction in body weight in just few days. This drink today boosts your immunity, so do try this fat melted drink at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Hope you like this video, so please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, you can visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. I'll be giving the channel link in the description box. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.